Welcome to your new Orbit home. In this video, we'll be covering the basics on registering and looking after your kitchen appliances and surfaces. Registering your appliances. When moving into your new home, it's important to register your new appliances with the manufacturer. This will help you stay up to date on any recalls or safety notices that may be issued for your appliances, and also activate the warranty of the appliance. You can usually register your appliances online or by phone. Check for a sticker on the appliance or your manuals found in the handover pack. Please contact the manufacturer directly if you have any problems, as your warranty for appliances is directly with the manufacturer. Cleaning your cooker hood. To keep your cooker hood clean, remove the grease filter and soak it in a mild detergent solution. Then wipe down the inside and outside of the cooker hood with a sponge. Finally, vacuum the grease and dust from the filter and the inside of the cooker hood. If you have a charcoal filter, this will need replacing every 6 months. Caring for stainless steel appliances. Stainless steel is a durable material, but it can still be scratched or stained if it's not properly cared for. Remember to wipe down your appliances after each use with a damp cloth. This will help to stop grease and food particles from building up. Use a mild detergent and sponge to clean your appliances more thoroughly on a weekly basis, and avoid using abrasive cleaners or scrubbers, as these can scratch the surface of the stainless steel. Maintaining your worktop. Wipe down your worktop after each use with a damp cloth. This will help to prevent grease and food particles from building up in joints. Ensure excess water is cleared straight away from the surface to reduce the risk of ingress to the worktop. When cooking, ensure hot pans are stored on pan stands and not directly on the worktop to stop the surface blistering. Thanks for watching, and if you have any further questions, please contact our customer care team.